All right, so I don't have my microphone with me because this happened really fast and I wasn't expecting this.
Actually, I got 2 Oscars coming through.
Ja, kunnen die er wel accents there. Okay.
So here's what they do when they bring the Oscars in. They cleaned them up in the back where I couldn't see them. There's a lot of security. It's more than I've ever seen in a long time. So it's kind of weird here today. But they're going to be taking these guys in and put them along inside there. Okay, so the Oscars are tomorrow, and we're here I'm by myself for fuck's sake. I'm at the top of the steps here. So what happens here is this: the red carpet will come up the steps here, and then it goes all the way around here, and then goes up inside there. The last time they did this that I was here, I know they had the Oscars standing right here, but they don't have that this year. They're doing a lot of things that are different this year. Security is tighter for, I guess, obvious reasons. I don't know. I haven't figured it out yet. But they'll be coming up the steps there, and then they go inside here. So they bring up the plants to cover things up so they don't get to see inside the, the mall, things like that. So right now, that's where I am, and I'm going to go back around the other side and see what I can get from the other side. Right now, we're going through the tunnel, basically. There you go. You have to come off the street on the before you get to the entrance of the Dolby for the red carpet, and then they send you through this interesting tunnel thing here, so you come out, literally come out the other side. So that's what, and it'll be like that for tonight. And then once the whole thing shuts down, the whole thing will shut down, and it's just really incredible when it happens. It's really amazing. So right now, here's where it pops out. This is the downstairs. Oh, very cool. Okay, so that's the downstairs entrance to the Dolby right there. And you can see they got some Oscaros up here. Oh, can I do this? Oh. Oh, this is very cool. I wasn't expecting this. I can take some pictures.